Clean flex layout with equal width cards, perfect spacing, no layout break from padding, everything stays aligned and responsive. Title: Flexbox Padding Fix. Inside the body, create a container with the class container. Inside it, add 3 card elements, Product 1, Product 2, and Product 3. Each card uses the same class card for consistent styling. This structure allows Flexbox to align all items evenly. Finally, link your HTML to the CSS file in the head. Start with the universal selector. Set box sizing to border box for consistent sizing. Now style the body. Set a light blue background. Apply a font family and add padding. Next, target the container. Set display to flex to activate Flexbox. Add gap to create space between the cards. Now style the cards. Set a dark blue background and white text. Add padding for spacing inside each card. Apply border radius for smooth corners. Center the text and set flex to 1 so all cards share equal width. If this helped you, like and subscribe to DevFix for more quick CSS fixes. See you in the next one.